Dear students, this is your class 3rd, subject science, chapter 2, birds around us. Students, the chapter is very important, so study with the concentration. Let's start. Chapter birds around us. We see many kinds of birds around us. Birds are beautiful animals. They are of different kinds of sizes, shapes and color. First, head. Head has two eyes and a beak. There are an opening on each side of the beak called nostrils. The bird breathes through nostrils. Next is feathers. Students, feathers cover most parts of the body of the birds. They are of two types, down feathers and flight feathers. How do birds fly? When birds fly, they flap their wings up and down and gradually go up into the air. During the flight, the wings form two types of movements. The two types of movements are upstroke and downstroke. Some birds fly over long distances in old days. Pigeons were used to carry letters from one place to another. Some birds like sparrows and bulbuls fly low. Flightless birds. Students, the birds which cannot fly at all, they are called flightless birds. For example, you can see here ostrich, kiwi, penguin, hen, they cannot fly. But they move from one place to another by their feet. Water birds. Some birds live in the water. These are also called aquatic birds. For example, gull, duck, crane, swan. Eating habits. Different birds have different eating habits. Birds have no teeth. The birds have different kinds of beaks which differ in sizes and shapes. Here are some different kinds of beaks: short, hard and horny beaks. The birds which eat grains, seeds and cracked nuts have small, hard and horny beaks. For example, sparrow, pigeons and peacock have this kind of beak. Strong, sharp beaks. Kite, eagle, vulture and hawk are flesh-eating birds, so they have strong, sharp beaks. They are also called birds of prey. Next is hook beak. A parrot has a hooked beak. Hooked beak helps it to crack nuts and bite the hard fruits. Next, strong and chisel-shaped beak. Woodpecker has a very strong, hard and chisel-shaped beak. It has the woodpecker to make holes in the trees. You see many times in your television or a cartoon channel in which you see the woodpecker holding on the tree or its branch. Next is broad and flat beak. Duck have broad and flat beaks. They are slits on the sides of the beak. Next is broad, short and sticky beak. Sticky means, understand sticky word? Swallow has a broad and short and sticky beaks. Swallow go round and round through their air with their beaks open. Tiny insects get stuck into the mouth. A long and thick beak. The hook and the catchall regret have long and thin beak. Here is a picture of hook. You can see. Feet and claws. The shape and size of the bird's feet and claws depend upon where it lives. Means adaptation. Means where they live, they adapt those types of eating habits and movement. Birds use their claws to catch their food to protect themselves. Next, perching birds. Perching birds like crow, pigeons and sparrows have 4 toes, 3 in front and 1 is at the back. For example, crow have perching birds, are perching birds. Climbing birds. The birds which can climb on a tree or the bark of the tree are called climbing birds. For example, woodpecker, your toes of the climbing birds. Next is preying birds. Eagle, hawk, kite and vulture have strong and sharp spreading claws called talons. These claws help them to catch and hold their prey firmly to carry them away. Here are toes of the eagle on the branch of a tree. You can see the photograph, friends. Scratching birds. Some birds use their claws to scratch on the earth for the seeds and worms. They have strong feet with 3 long toes pointing towards the small toe pointing backward. Scratching birds like hen walk on the run on the ground. Next is wading birds. Birds like cranes, herons, etc. have long legs with spreading toes which can wade through muddy water easily. Here is a picture, toes of the crane. Students, next is swimming birds. Many swimming birds like duck, geese, swans, pelicans and gulls have webbed toes. The webbing toes enable the birds to use their feet like paddles. Toes of the duck are here. You can see. Running birds. Students, what are running birds? Emus, kiwis and most other flightless fast running birds have 3 toes on each foot. The ostrich is the only two-toed bird. Toes of emu, toes of a kiwi, toes of an ostrich. Here are 3 pictures you can see. Students, understand the whole chapter carefully. If you have any confusion, any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.